Hey guys, hope you're all well. So today we're going to show you how to get more investors to your project and to gain more Twitter followers through Twitter advertising. So my name is Cian. I'm one of the co-founders of NexusX, and we're a full stack blockchain marketing agency. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so straight away you come over to your profile, you click more, then you click Twitter ads. Now, there's many objectives that you can choose from with Twitter advertising, but to actually gain followers and to increase your overall community and engagement, we're going to want to use the followers objective. Now, this is where we basically can name our ad sets and our campaigns. So we'd usually put a name a convention that, lets us know exactly what's going on here. So we'll put in followers. And then often as well, we'll put in the date or something like that, okay? Again, this is very personalized to you, so whatever you think you would like to put in here, it just needs to be clear. Naming conventions are all about just clarity, so you know exactly what's going on. Same again with the ad group. So usually I come to this part last. So what we do is we set our budget. So our daily budget now can be really any figure, but usually for most of our clients, we'll spread out budget amongst many ad sets. So say for this one, we'll go 50. So we'll schedule it then usually for 2 hours after when we're setting it. So as you can see now, it's 7 p.m. GMT time. So we'll go for about 9. So it'll go live and start spending in about 2 hours. Now, we usually go with target cost here instead of auto bid. Auto basically is going to fill you at any bid that Twitter can fill you at. We usually go with target. So our usual target cost is about 30 cents for most of our clients. So we'll go with 30 cents here. We usually leave standard. Accelerated can have its place, but for most campaigns, standard is okay. Now, demographics is where it gets really interesting, okay? So if you think of your investor avatar, who would be most likely to invest in your project? Say for this one, we'll pretend that we're going to market for a Binance Smart Chain BSC project. So we might go men. Age-wise, we'd probably go like 21 to 34. We'll just leave Ireland ticked off here for now. If you're targeting lots of countries, you'll need to put English in this tab. And then we usually leave all devices. Again, you can select what device you'd like to target. It's not overly important now. Custom audiences, again, are great. If you have an email list or something, you can upload them, make lookalikes off that. But so here we go. So basically, what we do a lot of is actually follower lookalikes. So if we think of any Binance Smart Chain related projects, so if we even were to go Binance, so basically pages that look like the people who follow Binance, we will now be able to target. Then with just normal targeting, keywords, we can go say NFT, we can target that audience. And you can see here, because we're targeting Ireland and it's not that big of a population, when we target the NFT community, it narrows it down incredibly, which is so good for us. So we'll say we just go with the NFT keyword. We don't go with Binance here. So we can move on. Placements, we usually leave all Twitter placements. Now, this is where you basically can create your ad. So most of our ads will always have a call to action. So we want to drive them to a location, and we also, in our ad copy, want to have a clear call to action as to what their the purpose of the ad is. So say if it's a play to earn game and we want someone to play our game, we will make sure to specify that in the ad itself so the ad has a function. So this is a preview of what it would look like on your feed. So most of the time, a lot of people can't actually tell that these ads are promoted. They just have a small promoted badge down the bottom. It usually blends into your feed quite well. And like we said, we usually use captions that would have some form of virality there. And we always have a clear call to action along with a good creative. So basically, maybe a GIF, a video, or an attractive graphic usually works well. So then from there, once you have your campaign ready, you've got everything filled out, you literally just click next, and then you're ready to publish your first campaign.